Seems like it was yesterday. You told me how proud you were when I walked away. If only I knew what I knew today. I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. If I had just one more day, I would tell you how much that I miss you since you've been away. Oh, it's dangerous. So I lied to try and turn back time. I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I've hurt myself by hurting you.
Ibigin mo mang umawi, di mo makuhang gawin. Sigaw ng puso't damdamin, wala sa'yong pumapansin. Sampung daliri ka, ibigan, dyan ka nila pakikinggan. Bibig ka man ng isinilang, dakila ka sa sino man. Ano sa'yo ang musika, sa iba'y mahalaga. Matahimik mong paligid, awitan ay di madinig. Mapalat ka o kaibigan, napakaingay ng mundo. Sa isang piging katulad mo, walang daig, walang gulo. Di nalalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di madinig, minsan ang uutal. Patungo sa kinahangat, mabuhay na banal. Di makita, di madinig, minsan ang uutal. Patungo sa hinahangat, nabuhay na banal.
siyam na makaupo sa seat of power mula sa quarter 2, Michael Garcia ng Metro Manila.
I will never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you. Girl, I will never find another lover more precious than you, precious than you. Girl, you are close to me, you're like my mother, close to me, you're like my father, close to me, you're like my sister, close to me, you're like my brother. See, you are the only one I ever think, and for you, that's all I sing. And all my life, oh, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I pray that you do love me too. Yeah. Oh, I pray, baby. 'Cause you're all that I ever know. When you smile, your face always seems to glow. You turn my life around. You picked me up when I was down, baby. You're all that I ever know. Wheels my mother's love. You picked me up when I was down. And I pray that you do love me. Oh, babe, I'm telling you that all my life, I'm a praying for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you.
Michael Garcia, Ato Arman at
Nagbabalik ang results day ng quarter 1 week-long semifinals ng
Tawag ng tanghalan sa Showtime. Madlang people, nasa 4th spot po tayong trending worldwide. Sa Twitter po yan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagtutok ninyo. Pero eto na, ang dalawang tatanghaling grand finalists ay makakakuha ng 150,000 pesos each.
At ang hindi naman papalaring makapasok sa ating grand finals ay mag-uwi pa rin ng 25,000 pesos each.
eto na, madlang people. Ready na ba kayo? Ipapakita na natin ang final average scores ng ating pong apat na semi-finalist.
Malayo.
Oo, base sa ating graph, ang pinakamataas na total score simula Lunes hanggang kanina ay merong 95.67%.
Ang second highest score naman ay pumatak ng 74.5%.
Sinundan naman ito ng 70.40%.
At ang pinakamababang total score para sa buong linggo ay 63.32%.
Good luck sa ating apat na semi-finalists. At para ibigay naman ng cheque worth 150,000 pesos plus a golden medallion, kasama natin ang ating punong hurado, Mr. Ogie Alcacid.
Killer smile, ah.
Aha! At para iabot ang resulta, ang gwapo ni Sir Og.
Patingin nga yung killer
Patingin nga
smile.
ulit. Iyan naman. Alright. Iba ka talaga, Herminio. Para iabot ang resulta, nais po naming tawagin si Miss Jean Micabalo ng ABS-CBN Com Group Internal Audit.
Hawak na po namin ni Bong ang resulta.
Tama ka dyan, Ann. Hawak ko na. Hawak.
Hawak na natin. Ang unang pangalan na babanggitin ko ay ang semi-finalist na nakakuha ng second highest score na 74.5%. Madlang people! Our first grand finalist for this season ay walang iba kundi si Alfred Relatado ng Mindanao. Congratulations! Coming from the bottom
Oo,
two.
bottom ko siya ng
Nung
Tuesday.
una, oo.
Pero umarangkada ngayong Sabado.
Imagine that, Alfred. Congratulations!
Congratulations, Alfred Relatado. Pasok ka na sa huling tapatan.
Sino ng
Anton Antenor Cruz ang magmamayari ng isa pang pwesto sa Grand Finals.
Ang semi-finalist na nakakuha ng pinakamataas na score na 98.70% at ating ikalawang grand finalist ngayong quarter 2 ay si Anton Antenor Cruz ng Metro Manila. Congratulations!
Gusto naman namin pasalamatan sina Rico Garcia, John Raimundo at Mark Michael Garcia sa pagbabahagi ng inyong husay at talento at kwento ng buhay dito sa ating kompetisyon. Huwag kayong titigil sa pagkanta at pag-abot ng inyong mga pangarap.
Congratulations, Remy Luntayaw ng Visayas at Anton Antenor Cruz ng Metro Manila. Pasok na kayo sa huling tapatan ng Tawag na Tanghalan sa Showtime.
At para maging malinaw sa ating lahat, narito po ang breakdown ng Jurado scores at Madlang People text votes.
Base sa score na ibinigay ng mga hurado, nangunguna sina Anton Antenor Cruz at John Raimundo. Sa boto naman ng Madlang People, panalo sa kanila sina Anton Antenor Cruz at Remy Luntayaw.
Welcome!
At talento dito sa Tawag ng Tanghalan.
At para maging malinaw sa lahat, narito po ang breakdown ng Madlang People's text votes at Jurado scores ng lahat ng ating semi-finalists.